Hey friends, who's hungry? Pull yourself out of the grilling rut with grilled pineapple chicken thighs marinated in pineapple juice, soy sauce, and chili garlic sauce. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, half a cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of pineapple juice, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of chili garlic sauce. Place the chicken thighs in the marinade and marinate for 2 hours. About 30 minutes before cooking, remove the chicken thighs from the marinade. Blot any excess moisture from the chicken skin with a paper towel and allow the chicken to air dry at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Place the chicken thighs skin side down on the hot side of the grill. Cook for 10 minutes until the chicken skin begins to brown and crisp. Flip the chicken and move it to the cool side. Grill the chicken for another 10 to 20 minutes until its internal temperature reaches 160 degrees. Allow the chicken to rest for 15 minutes before serving.